From The Hague, the heart of Dutch politics, this is AmsterdamVideo.com.
Hey guys, it's a Thursday, the 5th of September 2019. And as you can see on the clock behind me, it's already past 5:15 in the afternoon. Yep, we've been stuck in the vacation home all day, as the weather was complete and utter crap. But as it's clearing up a bit, we're heading on out now. So, see you past the intro.
The stars over Amsterdam.
Here we are at the trusty car. Are you ready?
Yes.
Then let's go.
Het is hier wel niet een hele steile helling, maar toch.
Hairpin curves, guys! Woohoo! Who's that? It's Mr. Ed, not a talking horse. First stop of the day, we are going to get some groceries at this local little grocery store, heidehof. Even in small places like these, they are running fiber optics through. Yeah, the locals are getting fiber internet. Closing in on our dinner location. Yeah. Well, that's disappointing. Looks like they're having an unscheduled ruhetag, or resting day. I mean, the one of yesterday, that was scheduled, but today, no. Just a sign on the door. According to the internet, they should be open. Anyway, let's look for an alternative. We are going to try our luck in downtown Schleiden instead. Ooh, little church. Alright, that looks like something. Let's check it out. Hollywood Grill. Completely in style. So you guys, come by. Well, that was pretty much okay for me. I give it a 7 out of 10. And for Carnamom,
Een 6.
a 6 out of 10. Yeah, well, I guess it was, well, it was a second choice anyway, so, and, yeah, in regards to that, I guess we had a decent meal. Anyway, yeah, dinner time's over. Let's head on out. And so we return to our little vacation home. And guys, with a nice ice cream we picked up along the way, with strawberries, this video comes to a conclusion. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next one, tomorrow. Given the weather is better anyway. Hey, thanks for watching. Cheerio!